Land and site valuation flashcards. Number 1, an element of comparison in the sales comparison approach. Comparable properties can be adjusted for differences in the points in the real estate cycle at which the transactions occur, sometimes called a time adjustment, because the difference in dates of sale are often compared, although that usage can be misleading because the property values didn't change merely as the result of the passage of time. The answer is market conditions. Number 2, adjustment applied to the sale price of a comparable sale whereby the appraiser translates a dollar figure from a paired data analysis into a percentage change in value. The answer is percentage adjustments. Number 3, a method that requires the recognition of the differences between the comparable data and the subject property and assigning either a market-derived dollar or a percentage amount as an adjustment. The answer is quantitative adjustments. Number 4, an qualitative technique for analyzing comparable sales, a variant of relative comparison analysis in which comparable sales are ranked in descending or ascending order of desirability, and each is analyzed to determine its position relative to the subject. The answer is ranking analysis. Number 5, an appraisal method that indicates the value of real property by comparing the property being appraised with other comparable properties. Data are collected and adjustments are made for differences, also called market approach or sales comparison method. The answer is sales comparison approach. Number 6, a process in which the total value of a property is broken down into its essential parts and the value of any single component may be determined by subtracting the remaining components from the total value. The answer is abstraction method. Number 7, land area that is not necessary to support the use of the existing improvements situated on the subject property. However, it may have its own highest and best use for expansion of the current improvement or for sale for another use. The answer is excess land. Number 8, a method of estimating value in which the depreciated cost of the improvements on the improved property is calculated and deducted from the total sale price to arrive at an estimated sale price for the land. A method of deriving capitalization rates from the property sales when the sale price and net operating income are known. The answer is extraction. Number 9, land that has been prepared for development by grading, draining, installing streets and utilities, as distinguished from raw land, also called finished land. Also, land is considered improved when pertinent improvements have been constructed for a particular use. The answer is improved land. Number 10, land that has limited usefulness because the costs of labor, coordination, and capital required to work or use it are approximately equal to the land's gross income. The answer is marginal land. Number 11, 640 acres. The answer is number of acres in a section. Number 12, a physical characteristic of real property that says there is a limited supply of real estate, the perceived supply of a good or service relative to the demand for the item. The answer is scarcity. Number 13, the ability of a good or service to satisfy human wants, needs, or desires. The answer is utility.